Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream at home with Malai. First, you'll need to boil full-fat milk and then let it cool completely. As it cools, a thick layer of Malai will form on top. Carefully skim this layer off and store it in an airtight container in your refrigerator. Repeat this process over several days until you have a sufficient amount of Malai for your cream. Once you've collected enough Malai, take it out of the refrigerator and let it reach room temperature, which usually takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Transfer the Malai into a blender or food processor. Begin churning it on a medium speed. As it churns, you'll notice it starting to thicken. Add a small amount of ice-cold water, perhaps 1/4 cup, to help the butterfat separate from the buttermilk. Keep churning the Malai mixture. You'll see the butterfat solids start to clump together, forming a soft, creamy mass. The liquid remaining in the blender is a flavorful buttermilk, which you can save for other recipes. Carefully separate the solid cream from the buttermilk. You can use a fine mesh strainer or simply squeeze the cream gently to remove any remaining liquid, ensuring a richer product. Congratulations, you've successfully made fresh cream at home from Malai. This rich, homemade cream is perfect for desserts, curries, or simply spreading on toast. Store your freshly made cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days. For more great tips and deals, including a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, check out the description below this video. Enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.